Right, this is my workshop. It's a 5x10 shed and I built it myself with my granddad. So when you walk in, got my light switch, I've got where I hang my coat up when I come in, our jumper, and I keep my padlock on here. And then I've got my extension cable for when I'm working outside with the power tools. Then down here we've got scrap wood. It's all in a bag at the moment while I get something better. And then I've got my DeWalt boxes, one for my drill, then one that's empty at the moment. And then next to that I've got my circular saw, and that's just stays there for the moment. And then I've got drawers with a worktop on it that has my miter saw on there for now, with my chair to sit down. And then next to that we've got my Titan shop vac, and then up there we've got all my wood storage for long pieces. And then this is just the electrical box we've got in here. Down here is my Irwin chisels, which I've just bought from B&Q for £40. And then my DeWalt drawers, wall plugs and stuff. And then screws, all different sizes. And on top of that I have my DeWalt battery charger and my McAllister charger. Just some stones really. And then this here is just random bits of screws and plugs and randomness. Pencil. A light which I use if when I'm making videos for extra lighting. And then a speaker just there. And then got some bit of sheet wood, jigsaw there, workbench there, heater when it gets cold, and I've got this clamp rack, and then the tool wall. And these are the DeWalt drills that was in this box down here. And that is my workshop.